In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all direct messages in Slack. Whether you're a newcomer trying to navigate your way through Slack or a seasoned user looking to make your communication more efficient, understanding how to access direct messages effectively is a skill worth mastering. As we dive into this process, I'll be guiding you through each step, offering tips and providing insights to ensure you have a smooth experience. First, let's start by opening Slack. Ensure that it's properly installed on your device, and once done, sign in with your Workspace credentials. If you're using the web version, simply navigate to the Slack website and log in. This is crucial because your direct messages are tied to your specific workspace, and you need to be logged in to access them. Now that you're logged in, let's locate the direct messages. On the left-hand side of your Slack interface, you'll notice the sidebar, which contains various channels and the option for direct messages. If you're new, this might look a bit crowded at first, but no worries, we'll make sense of it. Scroll through this sidebar until you see a section labeled Direct Messages. This is where all your private conversations will be displayed. At this point, you'll see a list of people you've conversed with directly. To open a conversation, simply click on a person's name. This will show you all the messages exchanged with that individual. If you're involved in multiple conversations, you'll notice that you can seamlessly switch between different chats just by selecting different names from the list. Slack makes it easy to keep track of conversations through threading, so don't worry about losing context as you switch between chats. Now, what if you can't find a certain conversation that you know exists? This is where the search bar comes in handy. At the top of your Slack window, you'll find a search box. Clicking on this will allow you to type in the name of the person or a keyword from your past chats that you're searching for. This is particularly useful if your list of direct messages is long and you want to quickly jump to a specific conversation. For additional organization, Slack allows you to pin important messages directly within your direct message threads. To do this, hover over the message you want to pin, click on the three-dot menu that appears, and select Pin to this conversation. This feature will help you keep essential information easily accessible. And there you have it. You now know how to see all direct messages in Slack, allowing you to manage your communications more effectively. By making the most of these features, you can ensure that you stay organized and in control of your messages. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging on Slack.